How to crop a video in Android phones. So first of all, you need to download one app. You need to go to Play Store, type in InShort. You need to install this app, this one, InShort by InShort Video Editor. I will share you its link in the description of this video. You can simply download, and after downloading it, you just need to open it. Click on video. You can select any of the video like this one. After that, you need to scroll from the bottom here, and there is an option to crop. Let me show you. This is the option. You can see left to the volume, click on crop, and from here you can crop. You can hide this player, you can hide this, you can crop the video, and you can just click on this right button, and that's it. The video is cropped. You can see it is very easy to crop the video now using this InShort application. I will share you the link of this application in the description of this video. I hope friends now you will be able to do it in